All right, Robert is hooked up. That a baby. Dead bait trolling. It's something big.
Definitely pulling us around.
It is. We're going for a ride here. Oh shoot, right in the sun. Oh, he's not. Oh my goodness. It seriously is fighting like a tuna. That's what tunas do though.
I got lots of line on this thing.
No kidding. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at you. You're okay still. You gotta start over though. Oh my gosh. All right, bring him back. Nice.
This is Phase Ed music.
So we literally, I'm saying this for the camera, we were literally just talking about, can you catch fish on dead bait? like 30 seconds before that went crazy. See those little head shakes? That's exactly what tuna do.
This is Phase Ed
Oh my goodness, man. This is a good fish too. Still can't tell what it is. Please be a tuna. One more time. Okay, now try to bring him up really shallow for my side. What a freaking fish, man. Look at that. I'm just gonna let it kill it. Let it. Holy cow. First time kayak fishing, you pull this up? Well, I'm bringing you every time I come. Yeah, I hope not. This fish might have got the better of you. You're sick.